Hello, happy Tuesday. I have to check every time. I walked here naturally. -20 out. I wore my massive pink Canada Goose jacket, which I'll show you this evening because I was on the phone with my mom, so I didn't pull out my camera when I got here. But I have a busy day today, actually. I have some fun art, mystery mini at the end of the day. But I'm just getting everything ready to go. Did I mention this? Would I have mentioned this? I think I did mention this, that Pat and I are moving. I think I mentioned it. But anyways, so last night we started our decluttering process, started our marketplacing process. What is happening here? Which is really, really fun and exciting. Selling stuff so we can buy new stuff that'll fit our new apartment. But yeah, so I was just talking to my mom all about the new apartment. We're coming up with plans. We're going to go check it out on Saturday again to get some measurements, and my mom's coming with us. My bangs are so long, but I'm now going to be spending a small fortune on rent, so I can't afford to get my hair done. I'm gonna keep getting ready because I only have 20 minutes until my client gets here. I did get a parcel from Canada Nail Supply. Nothing too exciting, but I'll show you what I got. Okay, I got 2 mini cases of Gel X. This one is Sculpted Almond Extra Long and Sculpted Square Extra Long. Just the small cases because I just have one client who wants extra long. And then I got a new jar of gloss gel from Young Nails, which I'm gonna crack open today. Wow, beautiful. Okay, I just had a client in that I actually do Pilates with, which was so fun. I have a mystery mani now. By now, I mean in like an hour and a half. So I'm just gonna get cleaned up. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I do have a mystery mani tomorrow morning. I should probably work on drawing that up. So then I don't have any work to do tonight. It's a very rare occasion where I leave myself with no work to do after I finish work for the day. It's also a much easier thing to do when I'm here. I'm realizing it's taking me long enough that when I have all my gels here and I can like sort through things and like swatch things out, it's a lot easier to plan mystery manis than it is when I'm at my home with nothing available to me. Nothing quite like a walk in minus 20 degrees. It's shockingly, like, not cold though, just my face. Which is saying something considering how cold it is outside. I feel like people are like, anyone who's outdoors right now is so bundled up. And they're all just like, you don't see their faces. They're like hoods, scarves. But yeah, it's nice and fresh. My appointments went live to my regulars. So I had to actually stop mid-walk. That was the worst part. And take off my glove for like 5 minutes while I sorted that out. And naturally, the password, where's the light switch? The password to my website wasn't working. So I had to like go in and change the password, extending my bare hand in the icy temps, but we have survived. We're here. I have a mystery mani this morning, and then I have a sizable gap. So I brought the laptop to do some editing, which is great. Feeling excited about that. And then I have a builder solid color, I think, to end the day. And then tomorrow, unless someone books an appointment, tomorrow I have Pilates in the morning, and then someone's coming to buy something off of Marketplace from my apartment. So I'm meeting them around noon. And then I'm again having more editing, and I have a solid color at like 6 p.m. builder solid color. So that's also nice. I have a set on Friday that my client's husband is planning. I don't know if I mentioned this, but my client's husband told my client to book a tier 3. These are her birthday nails, and he's planning out her set. So he sent me all his ideas, all his inspo, and it's super, super cute. So I'm gonna draw that up. It's like quite detailed, and I'm a little bit overwhelmed because it's inspired by a world that I know nothing about. I guess she won't see this by then, so it's inspired by Magic the Gathering. So he's filling me in on all the details, and he's very passionate about it, which is really nice because he's like really getting into it, explaining things to me. So I had to just draw up a set inspired by Magic the Gathering. The set are the sculpted prey tips that I got in yesterday. I ordered those for that client, so I'm going to use those on her too. So I'll probably end up using the almond. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. It's going to be like heavily black and white and gold, I believe. So then I have that. So it's like a pretty mellow next couple of days. Finished my first. My next isn't for like another 4 hours, so I have a lot of time. So I'm going to edit, probably run at some point to get some more food because I've already eaten all my food and I'm still a bit hungry, and then edit some more. I'm feeling exhausted, but I'm like, I feel like it's more so like my eyes and my face feel tired, which is so weird, but I may have to squeeze in a nap. Look how cute this is. My client M just gave him to me. She got him at an estate sale. Little air plant in the back. So effing cute. I love this vibe. I want a lamb like this too. I just nipped to the store and got an onigiri, but I also got this. It's like the coffee that you get in Japan at the convenience store. But I wanted something cold, and the coffee shop by me that I loved closed, which is devastating. And the coffee shop next to the studio sucks, in my opinion. Lots of people actually like it. It's really strong. It tastes like burnt coffee, so I don't love that. So I opted for this. Plus it's getting really warm in my studio now. It's like over 25 degrees, so ice drink is necessary. Hello beautiful people. I've just arrived. It's like 5:10. I have one appointment this evening. Just for a builder solid color. Particularly wonderful news. My Erica's ATA order that I ordered several months ago, that got held up in the ended a post strike, has arrived today. I'm like so happy it arrived. I don't even care about the taxes and duties I had to pay, which given the political state of the world will likely increase in the future. So I think I'm gonna have to find a new place to buy that isn't Erica's ATA in the States. Good morning. Happy Friday. It is a sleepy day in paradise today because I worked a bit later last night. I didn't get home, I don't know, till like almost 9, and I had dinner, and then by the time I got all the dishes cleaned and got washed up and stuff, it was like 11, and so I was up at 6 because I'm crazy. Yes, I'm a little sleepy today, but nothing a second coffee can't fix, which I did bring, so I love that for me. I have 2 appointments today. First one being builder Tier 1. Second, I'm not sure as of now. My client, she's booked for I think Gel X in Tier 3, but she messaged me being like, I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe just red. But I'm like, girl, you have all this time for art. So we'll see what she ends up wanting. If she does just want something mellow, means that I'll get off early tonight, which will be really, really nice. But if she doesn't, then that's cool too. I'm pretty excited for tomorrow. We are going back to our new apartment and we're doing some measurements to figure out the space and trying to see what room's gonna be what and all that kind of stuff. So I'm really excited about that. My mom's gonna be down. She's bringing paint chips chips because we're gonna paint the apartment. They painted it millennial gray, the people who made the apartment, like contractors, which isn't our vibe at all. Not one bit. So I think we're gonna paint everything white, and then we'll just play with color in our furniture, which will be fun. It won't be a pink apartment. I tried to take a nap, but could not before my next client arrived. So instead I have been reading my book, which I remember the title of. It's called When the Moon Hatched. I'm like 75% done, which is exciting because then I'm gonna go back and read the second half of the final Akatar book that I haven't read yet. But also I'm like, I already feel the need for the second When the Moon Hatched because being like only a quarter of the book left, there seems like there's a lot of stuff that needs to happen still. But I hear the author's coming out with that this year. So then I'm gonna read the final Akatar book, and then I'm gonna read Fourth Wing because the next one just came out and people are losing their minds over it. And my client the other day told me that I need to read it. She's like, you're into this stuff, you need to read it. So that'll be the next. Are any of you guys into fantasy books? If so, what are your recommendations? Good morning. We went to the new apartment again this morning just to measure some things, check things out again. I'm very excited to move. I literally cannot wait. My mom came with us. Okay, what's so funny is there was this one paint chip that Brian Gluckstein has been using and saying that this is like the new beige kind of color. And I was like, oh yeah, that looks really nice. My mom sent me a photo of it in use. And Pat and I are like wanting to paint the apartment before we move in. So I pull out the color swatch to hold it up to the wall, and it's the same fucking color. They've already painted it in that color. And Pat and I are like, ooh, yeah, no. We actually didn't mind it as much as we thought we did originally, but I think we're still gonna end up painting stuff white. I'm gonna put away my alcohol. I had my mom drive me to Walmart this morning to buy some more alcohol. So yeah, I think we're still gonna end up painting it white, or at least some of it. I just think a white space suits our vibe more and then suits our like color palettes. The color that it is now honestly wouldn't look bad, but I just think we'll be happier if it's white. I'm really, really, really excited. It's really nice. We're like kind of now envisioning where things will go, which room will be which, because I'll have a studio space. Vanessa's already planning which bedroom she's gonna come for sleepovers in. Yeah, I'm excited. It's a great time. I'm also just so excited to organize. I'm so in my organization TikTok vibe. All I do is watch organization and cleaning videos, and I can't wait to be one of those people who has everything sorted in a drawer, you know? It's gonna be me. I can't wait. Okay, how cute was that set that I just did? The collabo with my client's husband. Anyways, I am headed home for the weekend. I'm going antiquing tomorrow with one of my friends. I'm excited about that. And then I have my osteo appointment on Monday. Also excited about that. She's gonna whip me into shape. And all the while I'm going to be sorting out my apartment because Pat and I have a lot of work ahead of us. After living in one apartment for 10 years, we've accumulated some stuff, if you know what I mean. So we've got some decluttering to do in preparation for the move later in like a month. I'm so excited. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.